In this review, we'll take a close look at the Ring solar charger, designed to keep your Ring battery doorbell powered up using the sun. This new generation charger boasts a 33% increase in solar charging capacity over its predecessor, meaning more efficient power harvesting. It's compatible with the newest models, Battery Doorbell, Battery Doorbell Plus, and Battery Doorbell Pro, 2nd gen each. However, note that the Pro model's enhanced features require more power, so pairing it with this solar panel is recommended. Installation is straightforward. The charger comes with a secure mounting bracket and weather-resistant solar panels. For best performance, position it in direct sunlight. In my tests, it consistently trickle-charged the doorbell, reducing the need for manual battery removal. The battery life you get will depend on doorbell settings, motion alerts, and sun exposure. Overall, if you have a Ring battery doorbell and want to reduce charging hassles, this solar charger is a smart, eco-friendly investment. Its higher efficiency and easy setup make it a solid purchase.